What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at motion sensing cabinet lights. These are under cabinet lights that have different ranges and temperatures of color available, as well as very easy to mount options. So we have double-sided adhesive on one side, as well as a drilling method to install the iron plates, which are magnetic. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what it looks like, because these might actually be really useful for the shelving units back there. Now we have our instruction manual here, motion sensing under cabinet lights. And we can see here that they are 2700K, 4000, and 6000 in terms of color temperature. And the detection radius is about 10 feet at a 120 degree angle, so it can detect when someone walks by. Now, what do these actually look like? It does come with 5 in here, so you can see all 5. But let's take a look at one of them and see what's going on here. So we do have the magnets, so we can just take those off. These have 3M tape on them. So all you do is you pull this off and place it wherever you want them to go, and they'll simply magnetize on. Super easy installation. And of course there's a hole in the center, so you can just screw it in if you need to as well. And then let's take a look at one of the lights. We can see that these are 5-volt light strips, or maybe you can't see too well. There we go. They're 5-volt light strips, and we can see the sensor right here on top. So if we go ahead and hit this power button here, you can see that it's now definitely on. And if we hit the light button, it'll change the temperature of the light between the 3 different temperatures, the warmer colors and the more blue colors. And then you can simply place these wherever you'd like. And it has a motion sensor as well, so that when you walk by, it'll turn on or turn off based on that. We can also change some settings as well. So instead of just changing the color, we can actually dim by holding down the button. And now it's still on, but not nearly as bright. And if we hold it down again, we see it gets much brighter. So you can control the brightness, of course, as well as the color. And then when we want it in auto mode, we just press the power button twice really quickly, and you'll see it flash, and that's letting you know that it is in motion detecting mode, and it will turn off after a short time. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So we do have, very generously, a USB cable for each of these, because I don't know if you've noticed, but these aren't plugged into anything, and they're on. That's because they each have their own built-in battery pack inside of them, so you can just either keep it charged or charge them and then just stick them out wherever you'd like them to go. For example, if you put them under a cabinet or something, then you would just stick it up on the cabinet and that's it. Then when you want to charge it, you can simply pull it off, because these are magnetized, and then charge it separately. And again, this comes with 5 under cabinet units, so it's actually a really great deal to have 5 wireless lights that you can not only have mounted, but you can actually pull them off and use them when you're walking around the house. You can actually just change the brightness and just walk around, and if you need to go outside or something, you've got a wireless light source that's really useful. Well, yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah.